everyone! Today we are going to see a summer favorite recipe, the lemon mint popsicle. To make this lemon and mint popsicle, I have taken a cup of water and to this water add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Along with this add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix this nicely until the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar dissolves, add a little bit of mint leaves, tear it up into pieces and then add it in. These mint leaves enhances the flavor of this popsicle, so make sure you add it. So this is ready. Now we have to transfer this to popsicle molds. I am using these store-bought popsicle molds. If you don't have such molds, then you can pour this juice in any mold that you have at home, either small glasses or small bowls, anything, and then you can leave it to freeze. Close this popsicle mold and put it in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours till it sets well. Then when you want to eat it, just take the molds and show it under running tap water for about 5 to 10 seconds and then it will come out very easily. Once you show it under the tap water, just twist it lightly and pull and you will be able to take the popsicles out of the mold. So this is it, our easy and simple lemon and mint popsicles are ready. You can make these and leave it in the freezer and it will come in very handy on a hot summer day. Out of all the popsicle recipes, this is the most simplest and easiest recipe. Usually popsicles are made with fruits or with chocolates, but this is made with lime and mint leaves which everybody has at home. So this is a perfect and easy summer recipe. Do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.